Good afternoon and welcome to wonderful Pattaya here in Thailand. We're going to have a look around some markets, starting with Buakhao Market. Buakhao Market's just off Soi Buakhao, and I'm talking like I know everything, but I don't. He just told me. Literally, you get anything in these markets. Look at the size of these markets. So there's lots and lots of clothes here for sale, and I'm sure, Gordon, if you come on holiday here and you find the love of your life, the one, I'm sure you can spend some money in here.
Oh, for sure.
And now we're moving away from the clothes sections and we're into the food sections. Wow. It goes on forever and ever and ever. Fruit, vegetables, dragon fruit. There's fruits and vegetables for sale in here that I have never ever seen before. I literally haven't got a clue what they are. No idea. The smells of these food is lush. Big pots of stuff here, and you get them in the bags. Chilies, and again some sort of vegetable or fruit there that I didn't know what it was. Did you see it in the bag, the green things? No idea. Coconuts, fish. We've got stuff, and then all of a sudden you got luggage. And we even saw in there some absolutely genuine Ray-Bans and Louis Vuitton. 100% genuine. Just in there. Waffles. Yeah, we've got bees on the waffles, but never mind. Fruit. All your chilies and sauces. They love to serve things in plastic bags here. So like I say, Buakhao Market is huge, so across the road it goes on even more. So let's cross over Soi Buakhao, this is Soi Buakhao, cross over here and yeah, see what this side has to offer. So this is the other side of the market. We've got more food, more clothes, and into second-hand goods as well. Anybody want a padded coat or jacket or things in Thailand? 32 degrees a day. Hey! Just seen a stall there, you might be able to see it over my shoulder, just here. Wasn't allowed to film on it because it was full of real gold necklaces and Rolex watches and Ray-Bans in this market. So as you can see, you've got Soi Buakhao here, and you've got that side of the market which we've just been, well, where we first went, then you've got this side, and now you've got all down this side. You can get massages, you can get your nails done, eyebrows done, and not that kind of massage. Get your head out the gutter. So there you have it. That was Buakhao Market here in Pattaya, just off Soi Buakhao. You can get pretty much everything in there. Anywho, see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.